This is not just a van. This is a complete home on wheels. Take a look at this stunning motorhome. At first glance, the bold red color and sleek design instantly grab your attention. It looks modern, stylish, and built for adventure. The front has a strong and clean appearance, while the extended body clearly shows that this vehicle is made for long journeys and maximum comfort. But the real story begins when you step inside. As soon as you enter, you realize this is not just a vehicle. It feels like a compact luxury apartment. The interior is designed in a very smart way, making full use of every inch of space. You get comfortable seating, soft lighting, and a layout that feels both cozy and premium. There's a small but practical kitchen area where you can prepare your meals anytime, anywhere. Whether you're on a long road trip or parked somewhere peaceful, you have everything you need right here. Moving further, you'll find a relaxing sleeping space. It's designed to give you comfort after a long drive, making sure you feel at home no matter where you are. The large windows allow natural light to enter, creating an open and refreshing atmosphere inside the cabin. Storage is also well managed, so you can carry your essentials without any problem. Everything is placed in a way that keeps the space organized and functional. This motorhome is perfect for people who love freedom. No need for hotel bookings, no strict plans, just drive wherever you want and stop wherever you like. It gives you the ability to explore the world at your own pace. And that's what makes this vehicle truly special. It's not just about travel, it's about a lifestyle. A lifestyle where your home moves with you.
What makes this motorhome even more impressive is how intelligently every inch of space is used. Nothing feels wasted, and everything has a purpose. From hidden storage compartments to neatly designed cabinets, it allows you to carry everything you need without making the space feel crowded. The balance between comfort and practicality is what truly stands out. You can relax, cook, sleep, and travel all in one place without any compromise. It's designed for convenience, making long journeys feel easy and stress-free. This motorhome is not just about design, it's about experience. Whether you're exploring new places or simply enjoying a peaceful Tawakuf, it gives you a level of freedom that traditional travel simply cannot match. And that's the real beauty of it. Because in the end, this isn't just a vehicle. It's your home wherever you go.